Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add erasure transition effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you wanted to edit, if you wanna add erasure transition effect, so you just click on the box white icon, this one, click on it. And after this, you can swipe until you can see mouse. This is the mouse transition effect, so you just click on it and swipe until you can see erasure. This is the erasure transition effect, so you just click on it. And after this, you can set the duration for the transition, so you just swipe left or right this icon. And after this, you can click on apply to all for add the transition effect to all videos. And after this, you can click check icon in here and finish. So that's how to add erasure transition effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.